Hello everyone, I'm Tinis Brulasa and I'm going to discuss the continuation of our report. And my report is take regarding rest. So let's start. What is reward take regarding rest? You have to take rest to create experiences, to be engaged in life, and to expand your world. So think about how you take more rest to help you grow your own life. Rest is a reward. Let's continue. Techniques to help you to take rewarded oriented rest. Build a bias to action. So, what is your actions to become a successful entrepreneur, to become a successful and to have a better life? So, here it is. First is find your carrot. Finding your carrot is not that easy. It's not always one thing. Sometimes it is a way of doing things. And other times it is that you never doing the same thing. Your carrot may be hidden behind a lot of other wants and goals. So next, focus on the tasks that trigger your interest. So what are your interest? You must be focused on that interest. So you have a specific goal in life. Take a baby step. So when we say take a baby, it is slowly learning, but it is a progress. It's slowly progress, but when you learn something, it becomes a habit. When it becomes a habit, it becomes a mastery. So slowly, but you become a master. Order your values. So what is your values in life? What are those? You must be considerate. You must be knowledgeable on that and have a drink. Say yes. It can help you to think deeply, think broad knowledge. So let's proceed. Become adaptable. So try self talk. Try, yours, try yourself to ask for what you really want. What is your goal in life? So make steps. Have faith. When you have when you doing business, you have faith on that. So you can you can you can still manage even it is a less chance to successful, but successful is when you when you when you achieve something like that. Prioritize perseverance. So what's it, you must prioritize of your interest. Something you must prioritize of what you really want. So you can focus of one idea. Surround yourself with entrepreneurs. Be with some entrepreneurs and you can collect ideas to create your own, but don't base them. You should have your your ideas. Quiet the naysayers. Get comfortable with ambiguity. Here are some ways to help you become a better and dealing with ambiguity. Learn act without knowing all the details. Be confident and take risks. Plan for the future, but remain in the present. Communicate, embrace change. Take up a hobby and improvisation. Start a small venture. So, last, practice quick decision making. It can help you to create your decision. Like, you have to decide what is good for you, what is good for your if you, business. You must be a decision making, fast decision making, because it can help you to your decisions in life. And I think that's all. Thank you.